everyone, welcome back Paramedical Career Academy. Today we are going to discuss about previous year question paper of pharmacist. So let's begin with question number 1, that is phase 4 clinical trials are also called. Option A is human pharmacology and safety, option B post marketing surveillance, option C therapeutic confirmation, and option D is post marketing surveillance. So the correct answer is option D, that is post marketing surveillance. Question number 2 is therapeutic index is a measure of option A is efficiency, option B safety, option C adverse effect, option D potency. So the correct answer is option B, that is safety. Question number 3 is elimination after 3 half-lives in first order kinetics is option A 12.5%, option B 75%, option C 87.5%, and option D is 94%. So the correct answer is option C, that is 87.5%. Question number 4 is as per the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 prescription drugs are included in option A Schedule C, option B Schedule H, option C is Schedule P, and option D is Schedule X. So the correct answer is option B, that is Schedule H. Question number 5 is forced alkaline diuresis is effective in management of poisoning by which of the following agents? Option A is phenobarbital, option B is lead, option C iron, option D is organophosphatase. So the correct answer is option A, that is phenobarbital. Question number 6 is bioavailability is option A amount of drug that reaches the systematic circulation, option B is drug metabolized in liver before the drug reaches the systematic circulation, option C is drug metabolized in liver after the drug reaches the systematic circulation, and option D is maximum by rectal route. So the correct answer is option A, that is amount of drug that reaches the systematic circulation. Question number 7 is pharmacodynamics includes option A is drug elimination, option B is drugs excretion, option C is drugs absorption, option D is mechanism of action. So the correct answer is option D, that is mechanism of action. Question number 8 is which is not an effect of atropine. So the correct option is rise of body temperature, option B is decreased salivary secretion, option C is bradycardia, and option D is increased AV conduction. So the correct answer is option C, that is bradycardia. Question number 9 is which is not a cardioselective B blockers. Option A is acetobutanol, option B atenolol, option C pindolol, option D is metoprolol. So the correct answer is pindolol. Question number 10 is B1 selective blocker is used in glaucoma. Option A is beta-taxol, option B is lovobunolol, option C is tomolol, and option D is cartolol. So the correct answer is option A is bactosolol. Question number 11 is blockade of neuromuscular transmission by botulism toxin is an example of. Option A is depolarizing block, option B competitive block, option C is presynaptic block, and option D is postsynaptic block. So the correct answer is presynaptic block. Question number 12 is alpha 1 blocker without any effect of blood pressure is option A is tamsulosin, option B is prazosin, option C is dexazorin, option D is terazosin. So the correct answer is tamsulosin. Question number 13 is mechanism of action of clodine is mediated by which of the following receptor? Option A alpha 1, option B alpha 2, option C beta 1 and option D is beta 2. So the correct answer is option 2, that is alpha 2. Question number 14 is all of the following are the features of atropine poisoning except option A is mydriasis, option B is hallucination, option C is hypothermia and option D is coma. So the correct answer is option C, that is hypothermia. Question number 15 is antidote of nicotine poisoning is option A is stigmanine, option B is atropine, option C is phentolamine, option D is trimethoprim. So the correct answer is option D, that is trimethoprim. Question number 16 is most common dose related side effect of salbutamol. Option A is nervousness, option B is palpitation, option C is restlessness, option D is tremors. So the correct answer is option D, that is tremors. Question number 17 is mechanism of action of xylitol. Option A is inhibits production of IgE, option B inhibits lipoxygen, option C is inhibits of cyclooxygenase, option D is inhibits activity of mast cells. So the correct answer is option B, that is inhibits lipoxygenase. Question number 18 is which of the following drug prevent release of leukocorticoids and histamine from mast cells? Option A is zyklutone, option B is frexofenadine, option C is nitrocomyl, option D is tiotropium. So the correct answer is option C, that is nitrocomyl. Question number 19 is prostaglandin derivatives are used in following condition except option A cervical ripening, option B as the abortifacient, option C is NSAID induced peptic ulcer and option D is PDA. So the correct answer is option D, that is PDA. Question number 20 is which of the following is used for acute attack of migraine? Option A is bromocriptine, option B is cinnarizine, option C is sumatriptan, option D is ondansetron. So the correct answer is sumatriptan. Question number 21 is GOT is a disorder associated with option A increase in lactic acid, option B increase in uric acid, option C is increase in hippuric acid and option D is increase in glutamic acid. So the correct answer is option B, that is increase in uric acid. Question number 22 is the drug which blocks both H1 and 5-HT2 receptor is option A is phenoxybenzamine, option B is cryptoheptadine, option C is retinosine, option D is ondansetron. So the correct answer is cyproheptadine. Question number 23 is N-acetylcysteine reduces the severity of hepatic necrosis in toxicity due to option A is acetaminophen, option B isoniazid, option C is halothane and option D is methyl-dopa. So the correct answer is option A, that is acetaminophen. Question number 24 is cardiotoxicity is caused by which of the following? Option A is Rhaphocopix, option B is Nicorandil, option C is metoprolol and option D is losartan. So the correct answer is rafocorbris. Question number 25 is all of the following nutrients cause increase in potassium excretion except option A is atherogenic acid, option B is acetazolamide, option C is furosemide and option D is trimethoprim. So the correct answer is option D, that is trimethoprim. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like, share, subscribe this channel and please keep watching. Thank you so much.